Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. In today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing of this beast, the Asus Prime LC360 ARGB liquid AIO cooler. This is a decently priced item and it looks like it's got tons of features too. So this was sent over as a loaner from B&H Photo and Video, not paid promotion, not going to keep the item, just for my honest review. I'm really excited to get into this and see how the build quality is, go over some of the specs, and see if this product might be for you. So if you're interested in checking this product out, I'll put links from B&H description section below, so check it out if you're interested. It really helps me out. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? Come on, let's go! This AIO box is so huge, I gotta bring the camera way back. Before we crack this open, let's go over a few of the specs, shall we? So, this is a 360 AIO. The radiator dimensions is 397 by 120 by 27 millimeters. Water block is 65.1 by 60.58 by 68.5 millimeter. The radiator material is made out of aluminum. Water block, CPU plate, copper, sleeved rubber tube length of 400 millimeter, and the pump speed ranges up to 3,250 plus or minus 10% RPM. The speed for the fan can run between 600 to 2,200 plus or minus 10% RPM. And we have airflow of 75.7 cubic feet per minute. The noise ranges up to 34 decibels, and we have compatibility for sockets for LGA 1200 and for Intel and 1700 and the 1150X series, and also all of the AM5 and AM4 socket builds, and also the warranty of 6 years, which is pretty generous. Alright, in the box, some thin foam padding, a little block of foam covering up the water block. Right here we've got the standoffs for AMD and Intel and mounting hardware, and some standoff washers. Right here we got the back plates for Intel and AMD. Not bad, I like that space and prime on there. And let's get this out of the box, shall we? Cardboard around the radiator here. Plastic sheath as well. And plastic sheeting around the water block here. Certainly is a beast of a water cooler. As you can see here, fans are quality build. They are all what appears to be one piece though. You can take them out, I think. No, they're all one piece. They can potentially, possibly, maybe be taken out and removed, but I'm not going to do that to test the theory since I don't own the product. Got your ARGB LCD cable connects, 3-pin, 4-pin, and what we have here is a decent radiator design. Make sure your case can accommodate such a large AIO. Your individual case specifications will have to be known to you before you go ahead and order this. Pre-applied thermal paste, which is pre-applied to the AIO CPU plate ahead of time. in case you don't have any paste. I don't like that idea. I mean, yes, it helps you, but I mean, what if it just dries out, you know? That's what I'm saying. If it sits in the case too long. So this is sturdy. This cabling here, sturdy sleeve 400mm tubing. Gives you decent reach even in larger cases. Supports all modern platforms like I mentioned. This particular AIO has an infinity mirror lens. Reflective surfaces and layered design create captivating visual depth when the ARGB lighting is activated. Especially if you have an Asus motherboard, it works hand in hand. I want to see this in action on my build. And these are all ARGB fans. Not too bad. The package feels premium and simple Asus branding with the bold prime LC360 ARGB logo up front. Looks nice. So my final thoughts on this Asus Prime LC360 ARGB 360mm AIO cooler. Well, it looks pretty darn premium to me. Nice touch for the water block here, quality fan construction, and the Aurora Sync and the 6-year warranty sure is nothing to sneeze at. And if those features interest you, then this AIO might just be for you. Overall, it's a perfect match for anyone who wants a balance of form and function and delivers a great cooling solution, clean ARGB lighting, and long-term reliability. That's what I, at least over the years, have come to associate with the name Asus. So again, if you're interested in checking out this product, I'll put the links for B&H in the description section below. Check it out, it really helps me out. So thanks for coming along with me on this unboxing, and thanks for watching. Remember this tech.